On the day that Catalonia surpassed 200,000 cases and set a new daily high of infections, 24/7 shops like this one behind me were ordered to close at night. Hello, this is Catalan News in 100 seconds. From 10 p.m. to 7 a.m., 24/7 stores will remain shut. Gas stations will close dining areas and will only serve takeaway food and beverages. In-person activities at community centers have been cancelled. These are the latest restrictions by Catalan authorities, which come only a few days after the closure of bars and restaurants and other measures drawing condemnation by affected sectors.
Degut a que ens han tractat com a sector de primera necessitat, considerem que un sector de primera necessitat no té per què tindre un IVA del 21%.
Som establiments segurs. Fem totes les proves pertinents perquè la gent que arriba convidada als nostres establiments, tant com els treballadors, es manifestin lliures de virus.
More than 3,300 cases were confirmed today. This is the highest figure since the beginning of the pandemic, equivalent to almost half the number of cases that were diagnosed weekly this summer. In 10 days, the number of hospitalized patients has increased by 50%, and the outbreak risk is about to reach levels last seen in March. 4 Catalan politicians who served as Parliament Bureau members in 2017 and allowed MPs to vote on independence laws have been sentenced for disobedience. They each face a 20-month ban from public office and a €30,000 fine. The fifth defendant, a former far-left MP, was cleared of all charges.
De fet, no té legitimitat per dir a cap diputat ni a cap diputada del Parlament de Catalunya què pensar, què debatre ni què aprovar en aquesta institució.
Beloved Mallorcan singer Maria del Mar Bonet wowed spectators in Manresa in central Catalonia, where she paid homage to the late folk artist Pere Giner by performing traditional songs from her Mediterranean isle.